Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Trello for projects management. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Trello.com and hit the enter button. If you don't have an account, make sure to go and create a new one. And if you do, all you need to do, just go and log in into it. And of course, if you don't have an account, go and create a new one. You can use Google, Microsoft, Apple, Slack, if you have one of those accounts, so you don't go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So now, as we said, we want to use Trello for project management. So first, you can add some members. If you have any members, you can invite them using a link or simply using their name or email address. If they already have a Trello account, if you don't, you can even invite them through link. Once you have your members added, you can go to a specific or create some boards. Example for me, I already have a lot of boards here. So example, this is a template for projects management. Of course, let's say we have a big project, and we want to divide each task for a specific person. So example, I have waiting to get started tasks and progress tasks, waiting for review and completed. I can go and create any task I want. And of course, you can even assign some members to it, add some attachments, add a lot of things, custom fields, add some description to a specific task. You can even create like another list if you want, like other than waiting to get started in progress, waiting for review completed. You can add another one if you want to. And yeah, that's how you basically do it for project management. Now, as example, I assign this person. So this person has to list the products on the page. If they come here and they get it started, so they are going to start it or into progress, they can move the task here in progress. Once they finish it, they can simply put this for waiting in review. An example, another guy that will review all the tasks here can come and review like his work or what does he do. Okay, does this, okay, all good, all good. Okay, now you can simply just put it here, complete it, and check the button, and it's all good. That's how you basically use Trello for like projects management. An example, just simplify the tasks, put each tasks in there in a specific card, assign some members to it if you have some members. If you're alone, just go and do it alone. You can keep moving cards alone. So yeah, I done this, go to here. Okay, I have to review it, done here. And once it's completed, it should be here. And it should be good to go. Of course, you can do all things. So as an example here, I have created a CSV file for the products, configure shipping for old words, and etc. So that's totally up to you and customizable depending on your needs. So this is going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.